Hi there. Welcome to Docents DigitalesTV, the channel where learning English becomes simple, practical, and fun. Today, we're sharing a powerful tool to help you succeed, a 12-month English learning plan that takes you from zero to hero. Learning a language can feel overwhelming, but with a clear plan, you'll know exactly what to focus on every month. By breaking your goals into manageable steps, you can make steady progress and achieve fluency. Let's dive into the plan. Month 1 to 3. Build a strong foundation. Start with the basics. Focus on learning essential vocabulary like numbers, colors, and common phrases. Mastering basic grammar, such as simple sentence structures and the present tense. Practicing pronunciation with simple words and phrases. Tip: spend 15 to 20 minutes a day practicing to build consistency. Month 4 to 6. Expand your skills. Once you're comfortable with the basics, move on to learning the past and future tenses to talk about different time frames. Expanding your vocabulary with topics like food, travel, and hobbies. Practicing listening with short videos or podcasts designed for beginners. Tip: start having short conversations, even if they're just a few sentences. Month 7 to 9. Focus on fluency. Now it's time to get more confident. Practice speaking more often, focusing on common topics like daily routines and opinions. Learn connectors like because, but, and so to create longer sentences. Write short paragraphs to practice organizing your thoughts in English. Tip: try shadowing. Repeat what native speakers say to improve your rhythm and pronunciation. Month 10 to 12. Level up. In the final stage, aim for more advanced skills. Learn idioms, phrasal verbs, and expressions to sound more natural. Watch movies or TV shows in English without subtitles to improve listening comprehension. Challenge yourself to have full conversations and express more complex ideas. Tip: test your progress by writing or speaking about a topic for a few minutes without stopping. Quick recap of the plan. Build a strong foundation in the first 3 months with basic vocabulary and grammar. Expand your skills by learning tenses, listening, and speaking in short sentences. Focus on fluency by practicing conversations and connecting ideas. Level up by learning idioms, watching native content, and testing your progress. Remember, learning a language is a journey, not a race. Stay consistent, practice daily, and celebrate your progress along the way. You've got this. If this video has been helpful, we'd love your support. Give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Docents DigitalesTV for more practical and fun English lessons like this one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.